Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvelox coming back to you with another video. Now, this is more of a chit-chat video. Yeah, more of a chit-chat video because there's some things that I wanted to speak about regarding getting on your journey, getting back on your weight loss journey, and the things that, you know, is a struggle. It really is. Basically, what I wanted to talk to you about was basically trying to encourage all of you who are on your weight loss journey and the struggles that you're gonna feel, the struggles you're probably going through right now, because I've been going through some struggles. This time around, I could tell you, you know what it is? It's so hard that when you finally get to your weight loss goal and you've made that weight goal that you wanted to get to, and then, you know, a year or so, 2 years go by and you finally creep back up to that weight again. To get back on that journey, or even if you're in the midst of losing weight right now, to stay focused, to stay mindful, to stay encouraged, to stay motivated, and even to keep your mind off of food is the most hardest thing. And that's what's been going on this time. What's made it worse for me is the fact that I'm able to smell again. And it's been a struggle because I'm smelling all the different aromas out in the streets, at home. It really is a struggle staying on point with my weight loss. This time around, I can tell you this much. It really has been a battle. I'm back on my normal Bragg's apple cider vinegar. A lot of you always ask me what is my favorite weight loss tea or concoction or smoothie. And that is always my staple number one. My Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction, as well as after that I have my green tea and lemon juice. And then from there, what I normally do is a video that I'm putting up. Well, not really what I'm normally doing, but for the last 30 days I've been doing this new regimen, this new routine of mine, and it has really been working for your girl. Now, what I've been doing lately these days is my green smoothies. I have a green smoothie challenge that I've been doing, drinking a smoothie in the morning, like a 48 ounces of smoothie. And I split that and I sip it from breakfast all the way down to mid-afternoon, say like 4-ish. And then I start preparing myself for dinner. I have smoothie during the day, and then I have one meal. And what this has been doing is it's been shrinking my appetite. I've also been drinking more water. Okay, this is a gallon, and I've been really trying to stay mindful of that because that's also what helps to flush out what's in your stomach. I've been drinking my Flat and Firm Belly Detox, which also helps to get you to going and emptying my bowels, on top of just drinking a fiber-rich smoothie full of vegetables and fruits, drinking water, and eating a sensible meal. What I've been eating a lot of is fish and poultry. I'm really trying to wean myself off poultry, y'all. I'm really trying my best with that. I'm trying so hard to stop with the poultry, but I could really say that I may eat poultry once a week, twice a week top. The rest is fish and seafood. I've also been eating lots of vegetables. I would have a lot of salad, like leafy greens or steamed vegetables. And I've also been drinking soups. Lots of fluids along with my green vegetables. But I've been eating very light meals. I've been really trying to stay focused on it. And then there's times in the midday, if I smell food, like say if I'm driving and I smell a restaurant food, oh my gosh, to stay focused and mindful, you don't realize the thoughts that pop into your head. I've been having so many thoughts and trying to figure out, okay, well, if I have that, maybe I could zhuzh it up with some vegetables or steamed vegetables and make it a little healthy. No. It's not gonna work. So I just, you know, I really, you know, my willpower has been strengthening. I need some indoor snacks. The snacks that I've been actually eating, like say in the evening time, if I feel like snacking, I can't eat chips. I refuse to eat chips. Sometimes it will be peanuts, sometimes it will be like a mixed nut with raisins in there type of snack, and popcorn. I usually get the popcorn kernels, half a cup of popcorn, and I pop it on top of the stove like back in the days, okay? Like the Jiffy Pop popcorns. Well, I put it in like a pot, a small pot that has a lid, and I pop it. I shake it up on top of that burner, and I'm popping it with some low-fat butter, and it's so tasty. It kind of gets me over that craving of wanting to munch on some potato chip type of thing. Mostly my juice of the days is water. I don't drink no flavored drinks. I don't drink no sodas. I'll have my smoothie, which is, I just finished. It's right now 3:42 in the afternoon. So I finished drinking my smoothie, which has been helping me get through. Once I feel that stomach growling, I'll grab my smoothie and I'll just start sipping it. And it satisfies me and gets me over that craving, that growling of the stomach. But I must say, you guys, I've been doing good. What also encouraged me to stay focused, this is funny, I tell you, help me Lord. What also has been helping me to stay focused and mindful is the heads that are starting to turn. I'm like, whoa, okay, we getting back to that again. All right now you better go home and have your steamed vegetables and, you know, or your salad with your poultry. Yes. So that's what kind of helps to keep me encouraged to stay focused, to stay mindful, stay on my goal. Now, let me just go back a little bit. When I started the green smoothie challenge, I kid you not, the first day, when I went into the second day, that morning, after the first day, it just seems like my body was flushing, okay? It was purging. The next morning, I got on the scale, and it seemed like I automatically lost 4 pounds in one day, okay? 4 pounds in one day. That shocked me so much, because that first day I was drinking my smoothies, I was drinking my water. I downed like a gallon of water and then some. I was on my apple cider vinegar. I mean, I was peeing my brains out, but I didn't care. And doing that really helped me to stay mindful. I've also been exercising. I've been focusing on those parts of the bodies that I want to be slim, like my belly. I'm also going to tell you what I'm doing in that area as well. I've really been staying mindful, staying on point, staying motivated. I carry my smoothie around with me everywhere. I don't care where I'm going. I bring it with me, because the last thing I want to do is get caught slipping. I'll be out with my daughter sometimes. She may want something to eat, and it's like, are you seriously gonna eat that in front of me? You know, the other day we was driving together and she wanted some Popeyes. Oh yes. I love me some Popeyes chicken, but I can't eat it. I can't eat it. It's full of sodium. It is so packed, everything, not just the chicken, but every single thing. If any of you go into Popeyes next time, look at the menu. You see that salt shaker all across the whole entire board. So everything they have is packed with salt, which means you're going to have to really drink lots and lots and lots of water to flush out your system, because if not, your pressure is going to spike. You're going to be retaining water in your body. You're going to swell, and you don't know, your pressure is going to rise. So she got herself some Popeyes chicken, and at that point it was towards the evening time, it was dinner time, and I smelled that chicken. I tell you, oh my gosh, I was so tempted, but I said no, let's go home, because I can't do this. I can't sit here while you sitting there and carrying that daggone chicken in the car. You know, that's the thing that's the hardest thing, when you have to cook for your family, or you're with a family member that is not on a weight loss journey, and they want to eat what's out there. You can't eat what's out there. So it makes it that much harder for you to stay mindful, to stay encouraged, to have that willpower. I mean, whoa. But really, I tell you, what encouraged me was that cutie breaking his neck. Okay. We both was breaking our necks. But anywho. Another thing that I've been doing to also train my body is I've been using a waist trainer. Now let me see if I can show you. I have it on now. I've been using a waist trainer. Whoops. I don't want to try to show you too much. I've been using a waist trainer. No. I've been using a waist trainer to help keep my belly area intact. Okay. And what I normally do is I have this heated gel that I put on my stomach before putting this on. I'll rub my whole belly area with that heated gel. And as I wear my waist trainer, you can feel it starting to heat up. So that's what I've been noticing, which is good too, because I need that extra boost, something that's going to help me, you know, help me. I'm trying to stay consistent with training my stomach, because that's what I used to do the last time when I was on my journey. I also wore waist trainers during the day to help me with my posture, because really and truly, like, if you're at your desk a lot, if you have a job where you're sitting down, you're driving, or just basically desk duties, you tend to slump over. And when you slump over, you create a pooch down at the bottom, and that's the hardest area to lose weight. I've been really trying to do a lot more floor exercises. Now, I did get a cycling bike, which I've been using, and that's good for cardio, that's good for my legs. But I want to train my belly and get my legs right. My living room isn't the biggest, so I haven't really been able to do any type of videos showing you because of the space that I have in there. It's not really a lot of floor space to do exercises, which I can't wait till I move out of this place. Oh my gosh, that's coming soon. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, I don't want to do it in the winter time. I really don't. It's too cold for that. But for the most part, y'all, I've been staying focused on my eating. But instead of starving yourself, you're not supposed to skip meals. The healthy way of losing weight is not starving your body. So for those of you who are on that intermittent fasting, all of those are good for losing weight, but it's not really a healthy way of losing weight, because you're not getting all the nutrition that your body needs. You're starving yourself for at least, what, 6 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 11 hours, and then eating a meal. I don't look at that as a healthy way of, you know, eating properly, feeding your body properly, and shrinking your stomach. When you eat less, you shrink your stomach. When you portion control, you shrink your stomach. And not eating is not a good way of doing it, because then you're starving and then you want to eat, and when you eat, you want to eat more. So it's always good to feed your body. Now, I try not to eat, but I am kind of eating, but I'm drinking it, because everything, my vegetables, my fruits is in my green smoothies, and at least my body is being fed. I'm also drinking my water, my alkaline water. I got my alkaline filter inside here, so I'm alkalining my water at the same time. And if you have cravings in between, eat healthy snacks, eat yogurt, eat nuts. Now, I don't know if you guys want me to do a video on healthy nuts to eat while you are trying to lose weight, because there are good nuts and bad nuts. Not all nuts are going to benefit you when you're losing weight. So let me know down below if you want me to do a video on that. Also, another thing you can do, if you're not going to purchase that Flat and Firm Belly Detox to help you, you know, along the way, and give your body that extra, you know, boom when it comes to flattening your belly. Another thing you can do in between is laxatives. Now, I'm doing a video right now on a laxative that one of you asked me to do a review on, and give you my personal opinion on if I feel it's a good way of losing weight. Laxatives are good when you incorporate it with good eating. And you can do those like several times for the week, like maybe 2-3 times for the week. Every other day, I think, is a very healthy way, like 3 times a week. Do that. This way it helps you to get rid of all the excess stuff. But doing it every single day is not a good thing. So stay tuned for that video. But incorporating my Flat and Firm Belly Detox to help me with extracting and eliminating extra stuff in my stomach. But I tell you, you guys, my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, that is my boo. Okay? I don't like the taste of it, but that is my boo, and that's been helping me. That also helps you with cravings. That helps you portion controlling. My green tea in the morning time, or if I don't do the green tea and lemons, I'll just do a lemon tea, which is perfect because it helps get rid of all that excess, and it also helps flush out your kidneys. So I haven't gone on the scale since the first day of the green smoothie challenge, but I've been seeing differences in my body. I've been seeing differences in my face. But I'm going to continue doing my green smoothie challenge. I'm going to continue doing what's been working so far. And I'm going to have some updates. Now, I may do some body shots as well. I didn't want to do that start off body shot, although I do have videos of me and what I look like. And I really wasn't happy with the way I look. I wasn't trying to put myself out there like that. I just was not happy with the amount of weight that I gained. I'm going to give all the details of that when I get to my goal and let you know what I started from and where I am at that moment. But yeah, you guys, I got some wonderful things coming for you. But yeah, your girl has been doing really good, trying to stay motivated, trying to stay focused, trying to stay on my weight loss journey. The hardest thing is being around family members that want to eat. That's the hardest thing. Now, Thanksgiving is coming, y'all. Thanksgiving is coming. And I know that I'm going to have to make dinner, but I'm also going to have to make a lot of vegetables that I can eat and still make it healthy. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on here to encourage all of you who are going through some struggles, trying to stay motivated and focused, especially when you're around family and friends and they're eating all this good stuff and you can't touch it. All right, stay motivated, y'all. The goal is the gold. You're gonna win when you reach your goal, okay? So I want to thank you all for joining me. Also visit my eBay store for that flat and firm belly detox. It really works. It helps clean out your colon. It flattens your stomach. And if you incorporate that along with what you're doing, you're going to see some results, all right? So until the next time, you guys, I thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.